605 Chaser. I believe we have live going on Facebook as well as on our YouTube channel right now.
A
A
new
new
tornado
severe
warning
thunderstorm
has
warning
been
has been
issued.
issued.
Yeah, we got so much activity going on right now, folks. Be 1 second here. Just going to make sure that coming through live here. 1 second. All right, it looks like I'm coming through live, but we do have we don't have any chasers right now, but we will be having chasers once I get notification here after a little bit. Be sure that you check out wonderful storm chaser Bryce Reeves. He's at Rebry. That's REEBRY 22 on his YouTube channel. So just be aware of that, and we'll get everybody in here in just a minute. But I'm going to inform you guys we've got a number of severe thunderstorm warnings. You can see the tornado warnings. These are now going to be impacting areas like Menominee, Menominee, I guess that is town of Tainter. This would be in areas of Wisconsin, Richmond, New Richmond. These are tornado warnings, radar indicated, quarter size hail. No indicator on that one. Then we do have Winona, which would be Arcadia, just to the north of Oshkosh, Wisconsin area. All these, this one looks like this is going to end up with a tornado warning as well. Let's take a look at that one right now, folks. Let's go ahead and take a look at that one. If we get the base velocity, we can pull that up here. If you're in Arcadia or Independence, Wisconsin area, take shelter right now because this one, I would not be a bit surprised if that goes tornado warned here shortly. It's moving north at 50 miles per hour. Trained weather spotters at 258. Quarter size hail was reported near Winona. And I would not doubt if this is our next tornado warning. That should be coming through here very shortly. Definitely a signature here that just a minute ago looked like it was pretty significant. Let's take a look at the hydrometer classification. Definitely have some hail in there for sure. HA stands for hail. GR, that's more gravel, smaller type of hail in there. These are definitely a lot of hail up in this one. This is the tornado warning right here as well. This one was issued at 3:10. Covers a number of areas that are in areas of Wisconsin, northwestern Buffalo County, and west central Wisconsin. Still have tornado watch in many areas of Minnesota as well. Take a look at this. All the way up into areas of St. Cloud and northern Minnesota, all the way up into Grand Rapids. Do have other areas of concern that we have is Richland, Wisconsin. Let's look at that. It's got a possible tornado tag on it. That would make sense right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that one. A little harder to see, but definitely dangerous storm. Even Wisconsin Dells, that's likely to get impacted by this over the next 20 to 30 minutes as it makes its way. These are moving north, but this is going to continue to expand and probably likely hit that area of Wisconsin Dells, Lake Delton area. Remind folks that you are in a tornado watch. Go see you. Be 1 second. See if I can see the stream here. 1 moment.
A new
There it is.
tornado warning has been issued.
New tornado warning now for Mille Lacs, Minnesota. That's way up in northern Minnesota, Mille Lacs County. Oh yeah, there it is. You can definitely see that rotation right in there. Mainly rural areas that this is going to impact. It's going to be tornado warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Mille Lacs County. 3:21, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Vineland or 38 miles northeast of Little Falls, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Areas impacted: Vineland and Lake Mille Lacs. So right over the lake there. We do still have pretty dangerous situation for these areas here. Eau Claire, you can see the current tornado warnings covering Buffalo County, St. Croix County, areas in Wisconsin. If we take a look at the vertical integrated liquid, that is a lot of hail, folks, right here. That's significant hail. I wouldn't doubt that's probably golf ball size at least. Quarter? I think it's larger than that. It says quarter, but we'll go based off of that. These are going to continue to push off to the north, but they're going to back build. So what's going to happen is you can see these lines of storms that are down here in areas of Illinois. Get down to Illinois a little bit. Right over by Dubuque, these are starting to build a line right here, and it's going to be extending right here. Eventually going to make their way down to Rockford, DeKalb, Aurora, eventually the Chicago metro area. And so we've got 3 chasers right there standing by. They are ready and waiting for things to cook. We got 97 degrees in Peru, Illinois, with a 62-degree dew point. We got 96 north of Morris, Illinois. And there's another tornado
warning. Severe thunderstorm warning has been
Wadena County,
issued.
Minnesota. That's way up north. We'll go to Wadena County. That one has not come through yet. We got to wait for that one to come through. Wadena County will show up here in just a moment, Nate. Yeah, Wadena County. So it's going to take a moment here to get that to pull up. So right now we just have these ones here covering New Richmond. I already saw this. This one here is definitely going to, and then these lines here, Arcadia, this one needs to have a tornado warning on it as well. Mm-hmm. Yes, but it's going to take a little bit. All right, folks. We have 6 active tornado warnings. This says 4. What's going on with our radar Omega again? Or is our counters having some issues here? Says 6, and this says only 4. Let's go bring up radar Omega and find out what's going on with that. Are you on it at all?
No.
Okay.
A new tornado warning has been issued.
That's Dunn County, Wisconsin.
Yep, that one right there.
Yeah, that's that one there. But
Now it's only showing 3.
now it's only showing 3, so I don't know what's going on there, but it's showing the right amount of severe thunderstorm warnings. We got Buffalo County, Wisconsin, Pepin, County, Wisconsin, Dunn County, Wisconsin. A lot of this is in to areas of Wisconsin right now. Do we have another severe thunderstorm warning coming through? Looks like we may have another severe thunderstorm warning coming through. Looks like this one here, Richland County and Iowa County and Sauk County, Wisconsin. 1 inch with a possible tornado tag on that. There it is.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
All right, so Mille Lacs County continuing that tornado warning, tornado possible, 327 till 3:37, another 10 minutes. Looks like they actually allowed that one to expire. So we do have only 3 active tornado warnings. Not sure why it's continuing to say.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Having an issue with updating those numbers. Not sure why. All right, so anyhow, we do have, hang on 1 second here. All right, we do have, again, 3 tornado warnings. This one, Buffalo County, Wisconsin, Pepin County, Wisconsin, Dunn County, Wisconsin, and then the one that is the newest one is the one that is St. Croix County and Polk County, Wisconsin. That one right here. This is an observed one. Observed tornado by law enforcement.
A new tornado warning has been issued.
So this is Chippewa County, Wisconsin, Dunn County, Wisconsin, Eau Claire, Wisconsin, Pepin. This is covering this one right here. This was issued at 3:30. That's the one that the alert just came up on. Or 18 miles northeast of River Falls, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Yes, this is a very damaging tornado. We'll take a look at the high resolution velocity here and see if we can see any. Oh, that's a lot of rotation right in there. Take a look at base velocity. Yes, I see another tornado watch. A lot of rotation right around New Richmond area. I think I'm going to go until my chaser comes on. I'm going to go live on TikTok. I think I'm going to get more response from that.